Hey everyone, this is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab, and today we're creating an acid bass line called Crushed, and it sounds like this. Now in context. Has a bit of shaper box in it, without it. Now, if you want to get this acid preset, you can get it over here in the description below. This preset is part of the Techno Academy that you can find again in the description below. But now let's get started with this tutorial and let's get started with this preset. So in Serum, we're going to start by choosing an initial saw wave, and we're going to put this 2 octaves down. Level all the way up. But can you see how the notes are one getting on top of the other? So we're going to choose mono, legato, and a little bit of parlamento. Can you see how this does a wham, and this is characteristic of the parlamento. So now in the envelope 1, we're going to go and put the sustain all the way down. The decay is going to go a little bit up, and the release is going to go also a little bit up. But the key here is going to pick this handle and put it a little bit down. You can kind of fake this into being here, into this line over here. Now filter MG low 12 and MG low 12, we're going to put it to a little bit down, somewhere like this. But the key here is we're going to pick this envelope and modulate this with the envelope. And we need a bit of resonance. Because acid basses, a lot of them go through this resonance. So now we're going to also modulate and shape the envelope too. Sustain all the way down without the resonance and with the resonance. Can you see the difference? So now decay a bit down as well. Lastly, just pick this handle and put it a bit down. Can you see how this makes it a bit tighter? So now to complete this, we're going to go into the FX section. And in the FX section, we're going to choose a down sample. It has to be over here. It has to be that tonality. And if you change it a little bit, even though you're still in 43, that's the tonality that we want. Now, lastly, compressor. We're going to select a multi-band compressor, and we're going to choose this almost as an EQ. Why? Because we're going to use these bands. Can you see how you can change the sound through it? That's what we're going to do over here. High shelf is going to remain as it is, like this. Mids are going to go a bit up. And you can see that the low is also going to go up. Somewhere over here. That's pretty much it. Now we're gonna go into the delay section, and in the delay we're gonna keep the feedback 1/4 over here. Now we're gonna just change the frequency because we don't want any low end over here, and we want to take it out of the center. We want to put it as a ping pong. So now it's in stereo. Reverb also. A little bit down with the wet, up with the low cut, and down with the decay. Now to finish this, just gonna pick this filter and put it all the way up. Now we're just gonna activate this shaper box, and in context. Pretty cool, right? I hope you like this preset. If you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below in the Techno Academy. This is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Cheers.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.